When you do a review on earbuds, headphones, and Bluetooth, anything, you can't leave out SoundPEATS. They've been in the game for a minute, and these are the new Air 5 Pros. Wow. Yeah, they're bringing it. They just keep doing more and more and more and more and more. These have their signature dynamic 10mm drivers inside, up to 55 decibels of hybrid noise cancellation as well. And it does have AI adaptive active noise canceling as well, and it's powered by the QCC3091 chip, if that means anything to you. Some people aren't into the techie side, they just want to make sure it sounds good. These do have high resolution and low latency, LDAC obviously, AptX, Lossless, so you got Snapdragon Sound, LC3, ultra clear sound and lag free when gaming and streaming. So some people don't want to wear the big bulky headphones when you're on a game, so you have the option for these. Yeah, these are going to be an option for you, believe it or not. They're really lightweight, 4.8 grams. So these are going to be kind of those earbuds you can wear all day, and they're just not really there. So Bluetooth 5.4, battery life should be pretty decent, fast charging, dual device connection. So you've got app support and stuff like that. I never use the app with these. I just pair them up. When I get earbuds now, I just pair them up and start using them. You don't need the application, but you can use the application to go in and possibly adjust like equalizers and things like that. But I found that it just works. So let's crack these open. In typical fashion, this is the box. All right, you got a little manual and stuff in here. I don't think people probably even pull this out. I don't have no use for that. So let's see here. And here are the buds. So you got the syncing button on the bottom here. You got your Type-C. You got some SoundPEATS branding right there. And then these open up like this. Ooh, wait, very nice case now. You can see it says, hear the difference. Yep. So they do have the rubber tips on them, which is really good. Looking under here, you should have your charging cable, some more tips there. So yeah. So let's put this aside. And I'm going to use these for a little bit. I'm just going to pair them to my phone, use them for a little bit. But first, let's get them out and let's check the case here. The case is something that I always talk about with phones. If it's a flimsy case, when you drop these run the risk of popping out and flying all over the place, and you're losing them in the grass while you're cutting your grass or whatever, or you're walking down the street or whatever. These have a pretty nice lid on it. It is not, I'm giving that a really strong shake too, and it is not closing. So strong hinge and strong magnetic field there as well. So this is really good. This is a good thing inside of the case. This is a hard plastic case, and that's to be expected with something like this. Hard plastic cases are just what it is. But the thing about this one is it is matte. It is a matte case, not the high gloss case. I hate high gloss cases, man. I just do not like high gloss cases for the fingerprints. So now the earbuds themselves, they are lightweight. They are lightweight, and I've got that classic Superman design right there. So I'm going to pop these in, and I'm going to use them. They are labeled left and right. I said one. They're labeled left and right. You can see. Beautiful. Nice rubber tips on there. These tips should be fine for me. So I'm going to pair these up and start using them. The blue tape is on here is to cover it so it doesn't, some people have actually asked about that. Consumers that just don't know, they put that on there for shipping, so it doesn't discharge the battery while in transit to you. In most situations, you'll get 100% charge on, or a little decent charge on. So before I start listening, I'm going to go ahead and pair them up here. I'm going to go to Bluetooth and see how quickly they pick up, if they pick up at all. So what we're going to do is we're going to open the case here. I'm going to put these back in. If it doesn't start to sync automatically, I'll go ahead and press the syncing button. Sometimes it'll just start syncing. All right, so let's get the syncing button down here. You'll probably see it start flashing. Let's see if that does it. There we go. Oh, that was resetting. Okay, there we go. Now it's flashing. There we go. SoundPEATS Air 5 Pros. Get them linked up. And they are connected right there. So we can go into it here, see what type of device it is. We'll go ahead and do headphones. And then there you go. And remember, you can do the application to see exactly how you're gonna adjust these on the equalizer if that's your thing. But I'm gonna plug these up. I'm gonna start using it, and we're gonna see what's up with it. So just stay locked. All right, guys. So these are what you think they are. They're good sounding SoundPEATS. I mean, just taking a look at the earbuds themselves. Nice little design on it here, as you can see. A little bit of elongated stem on there. Canceling out the sound is absolutely great on these little earbuds. I don't know how they do it, but they pack in some serious sound with these. Now, it would be nice if they start making some non-high gloss earbuds, like more matte ones. They do, but these would have been nice to complete like that matte look. And then have this portion just in the high gloss gold signature that they have. But nonetheless, these are just in your ears, man. And they look and feel really good. But more importantly, they sound incredible. SoundPEATS. So they're peaking out at the best sound for you. So I personally feel like if you want to save money, there's tons of earbuds out there. You don't have to be like some of us. Like I've purchased $400 or $500 earbuds before. I didn't have to, but these earbuds are good. And they punch way above their weight class. And if SoundPEATS moves into an arena where they're going to be pushing out $500 earbuds, I think the other companies might be in trouble, because even these earbuds right here are very affordable for a nice set of earbuds, and they sound great. I mean, the fact that their name is SoundPEATS is a thing. Yeah. So I'll listen to these for a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and charge them up and, make phone calls with them. I didn't test phone calls yet, but I will, because predominantly I do phone calls. I do a lot of phone calls with earbuds and stuff like that. So some people don't use their phones for phones. I use my phone as a phone. But yeah, these earbuds, they're everything that you know they're going to be if you hear the name SoundPEATS. And it's crazy enough, so many people that I be around sometimes, they're like, SoundPEATS, what is that? I'm like, come on, man. You really got to get away from what you see on the media. It's supposed to be the best earbuds. Like, I won't name them, but these earbuds right here can be had for such a good price, and they sound amazing. Anyways, your man Jay, I'll try to follow up once again with more sound tests and then phone calls. This is really important to me. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.